Learning country flowers and animals. Learning country flowers and animals. Afghanistan's national flower is the tulip, and its national animal is the snow leopard. Argentina country flower is ceibo, and national animal is Rufus hornero. Australia country flower is golden wattle, and national animal is red kangaroo. Austria country flower is edelweiss, and national animal is golden eagle. Bahrain country flower is scarlet pimpernel, and national animal is Arabian oryx. Bangladesh country flower is white water lily, and national animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Belgium country flower is red poppy, and national animal is Leo belgicus, lion. Bhutan country flower is blue poppy, and national animal is takin. Brazil country flower is golden trumpet tree, and national animal is jaguar. Canada country flower is bunchberry, and national animal is beaver. China country flower is plum blossom, and national animal is giant panda. Croatia country flower is iris, and national animal is pine marten. Cuba country flower is white mariposa, and national animal is Cuban trogon. Denmark country flower is daisy, and national animal is mute swan. Egypt country flower is lotus, and national animal is steppe eagle. Finland country flower is lily of the valley, and national animal is brown bear. France country flower is iris, and national animal is Gallic rooster. Germany country flower is cornflower, and national animal is federal eagle. Greece country flower is bear's breech, and national animal is dolphin. Hungary country flower is tulip, and national animal is turtle, mythological bird. Iceland country flower is mountain avens, and national animal is gerfalcon. India country flower is lotus, and national animal is Bengal tiger. Indonesia country flower is moon orchid, and national animal is Komodo dragon. Iran country flower is red rose, and national animal is Asiatic lion. Iraq country flower is rose, and national animal is chakar partridge. Ireland country flower is shamrock, and national animal is Irish hare. Israel country flower is cyclamen, and national animal is Israeli gazelle. Italy country flower is lily, and national animal is Italian wolf. Kenya country flower is orchid, and national animal is lion. Kuwait country flower is arfage, and national animal is Arabian camel. Malaysia country flower is hibiscus, and national animal is Malayan tiger. Mauritius country flower is trochesia, and national animal is dodo. Mexico country flower is dahlia, and national animal is golden eagle. Myanmar country flower is paddock, and national animal is peafowl. Nepal country flower is rhododendron, and national animal is cow. Netherlands country flower is tulip, and national animal is lion. New Zealand country flower is silver fern and national animal is kiwi. Nigeria country flower is Costus spectabilis and national animal is eagle. North Korea country flower is magnolia and national animal is kalama, mythical horse. Norway country flower is pyramidal saxifrage and national animal is lion. Oman country flower is rose and national animal is Arabian oryx. Pakistan country flower is jasmine and national animal is marker. Poland country flower is corn poppy and national animal is white-tailed eagle. Portugal country flower is lavender and national animal is Iberian wolf. Qatar country flower is kataf and national animal is Arabian oryx. Russia country flower is chamomile and national animal is Eurasian brown bear. Saudi Arabia country flower is arfage and national animal is Arabian camel. Singapore country flower is Vanda Miss Joaquim orchid and national animal is lion. South Africa country flower is King Protea and national animal is springbok. South Korea country flower is Mugunghwa, hibiscus, and national animal is Siberian tiger. Spain country flower is red carnation and national animal is Spanish bull. Sri Lanka country flower is blue water lily and national animal is Sri Lankan jungle fowl. Sweden country flower is twin flower and national animal is Eurasian elk, moose. Switzerland country flower is Edelweiss and national animal is Swiss cow. Turkey country flower is tulip and national animal is gray wolf. Ukraine country flower is sunflower and national animal is common nightingale. United Arab Emirates, UAE, country flower is Tribulus omanense and national animal is Arabian oryx. United Kingdom, UK, country flower is Tudor rose and national animal is lion. United States of America, USA, country flower is rose and national animal is bald eagle. Zimbabwe country flower is flame lily and national animal is sable antelope.